Well, here it is, all set and ready to clean. My drill case, my pedal case, my little step wheels, front wheels, BMX wheels, spare wheels, my bike stand, my old silver floor pump. Filthy, filthy, filthy. There's that wonderful new power tap wheel that Bill loaned me, and I'm going to get it real cleaned again. Mountain bike. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Look at that slap. You can see the high water mark on these things. Chain's starting to rust already. God damn it. And off-roady. Notice the hub a little loose on that one, on the back wheel. Polo bike. Looks like I've been playing some off-road polo. And it looks better. Again, rusty chains. Man, that's pissing me off. A skeleton bike. I don't know if that bike knows what a new chain is. Definitely there's no grease on it. Not so good. Pretty nice wheels under there. A fixie. Look at the rust on this thing. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like it's the bike from the Titanic. And again, my Velodyne bike. Notice the matching little red BMX crank arm I've got on that. What a deal. Well, we'll see if we can get them cleaned to $1.75.